In this video, we're going to talk about how can you create simple infographics for social media using ChatGPT, the new 4.0 image generation capabilities. Before we jump into the demo, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. And by the way, this infographic creation generation, you can do it both on paid plans and with some limitations. You can also do it on ChatGPT's free plan, and I'll show you both. So once you log into your ChatGPT account, make sure you have, so this account right now, I'm sharing it, it is a paid account, it's a plus account, you can see that here. Make sure you select the GPT 4.0, and then you just need simple prompts. I'll show you a few that I have used. So for example, create an infographic about the benefits of eating cucumber. I've already done this, so let me actually bring up the chat and I'll show you. So simple prompt, create an infographic about the benefits of eating cucumber, and look at this. Benefits of eating cucumber: hydrating, high in nutrients, aids in weight loss, promotes hydration. This is unbelievable. Look at the text. AI, ChatGPT, the 4.0 did everything. All of this text. I didn't change anything. You can see that right here. So this is amazing. And these infographics on social media, especially on Instagram and also Pinterest, and recently I'm seeing these do create a lot of engagement on Facebook as well. So if you create content on these platforms, this is really cool. So this was example number one. Example number two, this is really interesting and kind of cool. So here's an infographic that was already, so the example one I showed you, we created an infographic from scratch. Example number two, this one, we're going to recreate an infographic. So look at this infographic, ChatGPT prompting framework. It's someone else's. I'm using this as an example. So I upload this and I said recreate this infographic and also change the background color. So I want to use a base infographic and then recreate it. And now look at this. It did change the background color a little bit, but it also changed the arrows. And it just literally recreated that infographic. And by the way, I could also add more instructions about specific colors I want to use, specific text I want to use, and it will do it for me. How cool is this? So you can create brand new infographics. And then number two, you can also recreate existing viral infographics using ChatGPT 4.0. And yes, this is a paid account. And now let me show you, you can do similar stuff. So this ChatGPT account is free. You can see right here, it is a free account. Also, you can see right here, it doesn't say plus or teams. It is a free account. And I said, create an infographic about the benefits of eating cucumber, same prompt. And look at this. Amazing text. Everything is spelled right. Yes, I am checking one more time because I can't believe it. Before this, I used to use a tool called Ideogram to create infographics, but over there, half of the text was messed up. So you had to open the infographic in Canva or another image tool and fix the text. But 4.0 ChatGPT is amazing. Look at this, perfect infographic ready to be used. All right, and then the free, here's another one, really cool example. And this one, it kind of like messed up a little bit, but I'll show it to you anyways. And by the way, this is a free account. On the free account, you do get limited image generations per day. On free one, you get a lot more. You actually, I never run out on the paid plan. But if you have a free account, ChatGPT, you can still create infographics, but you will run into that limit very soon. So here is a DeepSeek cheat sheet that I used as an example because I wanted to recreate this. And then the prompt I used was recreate this cheat sheet, use that same exact text from the attached image, change the background color. And then if you look, it did change the background color, but if I zoom in, look at this, track program. So it didn't finish the word program. Also act as a skilled mentor, and it didn't spell the create word 30-day learning roadmap. So it wasn't able to, if my input infographic is text heavy like this, then it wasn't able to recreate all the text from the original infographic image. So that is a limitation for now. Maybe in future we will also kind of like fix that. They will also let us recreate the infographics with the same exact, and this is like too much text. This is like whole paragraphs. These are actually like prompts, 10 different, I believe this is like 10 different prompts for DeepSeek. So that's where some limitations are, but stepping back, you can use ChatGPT for free or paid account to create simple, engaging infographics for social media, and also you can recreate some of the viral infographics using simple, just upload those, attach those from your computer, and then use a simple prompt like this to recreate those infographics. Any questions, let me know. Before you go, like and share this video so more people can see this, and I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.